Your phone has secret codes and settings that mobile operators don't want you to know about. They're hidden deep inside and most people never find them. But using them can boost your mobile signal, make your calls clearer, and speed up your internet in seconds. In this video, I'll show you how exactly to unlock these hidden features on your Android phone. Let's fix your connection right now. So, let's get started. And we start by checking the connection strengths. For this, open up this phone app on your phone and type ***4636 #***. After that, select your SIM card if you are using multiple SIMs. In this case, this is my SIM card number 1. Tap phone information and now look for a signal strength, which depends on the brand of the phone. The network signal level can be called differently. In my case, this is signal strength. If the previous code doesn't work for you, you can try another one. *#001#. Choose the first option. Or you can also look at the settings of the phone itself. If both codes didn't work for you, open up your settings app on your phone, then tap search and type SIM card status, and right after that, tap on SIM card status. And here you can find signal strength. Now we know how to check the signal strength on your phone. Now you need to change the type of mobile network from 5G to 4G. The fact is that the phone will connect to the 5G network by default, even if it is weak. But the internet and connection will be better in the 4G network because its signal is strong. To change the type of mobile network, open up the settings on your phone. Then tap on the search and type network mode or network type. In my case, this is network mode. I'll tap on network mode. Then again, I need to select network mode and here select 4G or LTE. This will also extend the battery life of your phone because if the 5G network is weak, the phone uses a lot of battery power to connect to it. Next, we're going to change some hidden SIM card settings on your phone to improve your mobile's connection and speed up your internet. Open up the settings app again on your phone. After that, tap on search and type access point names. Then tap on access point names again and again. Here, select your access point names for the internet. Then scroll all the way down and select here bearer. You probably have unspecified selected here. This means that your phone searches for all the networks on this list, but many of them haven't been used by mobile operators for a long time. To speed up your internet, we will select only the networks that are actually used worldwide. First, uncheck the box next to unspecified. After that, select this network, LTE, and others. So, you need to select networks starting from LTE up to FDO_B. Then, scroll all the way down and select NR. Then tap OK. After that, scroll up. Select authentication type. Depending on your mobile operator, phone model, and even your region, the internet might work faster for some people if they choose PAP, and for others if they choose CHAP or PAP or CHAP. So, what you need to do is check your internet speed. This is very easy. Just type internet speed tester into Google, and you will find many websites to test it. First select POP and check your speed. Then select CHAP and check again. Whichever settings gives you a faster internet, keep that one. After that, and there you have it. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.